So, the last time I shot, no, I need to take this again. This is crap. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Wande. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to prevent motion blur in your videos. Now you guys know I share these camera tips and tricks when I've experienced something bad and I don't want you guys to go through the same. So I don't know if you noticed in my last video, I shot that video twice. I don't know if you guys noticed any difference in the videos. So I shot the video twice. The first time I shot the video, I didn't realize that there was motion blur. So I shot the video and I didn't edit the video that day. I edited it like 2 days after. So I didn't even know that I had a blurry video. So I was just like, oh, I can't wait to edit my video. And so I opened up my laptop and like put my memory card in. I'm like, let me see this video and let's get to the editing. And I opened it up and played the video and I saw blurriness everywhere. Can you imagine how frustrating and painful that was for me? I don't want you guys to go through this thing. So yeah, that's what I'm going to share. How to prevent that from happening to you, because I know how it can be. Like after planning all your day and like you're saying, oh, I'm good, I'm going to have shot all my content for the week or like for the weekend, and yeah, like ready to go, and you check the video and you see crap. So I shot another one anyways, and I used some parts of the bad one and the good one. I don't know if you guys noticed. If you guys didn't notice, that means like I'm a pro, like I'm good, like you guys should know I'm good. Anyways, yeah, let's get into the video now. Let's get into the video. Welcome back, guys. So I'm just going to go straight into it. Now, if you want to prevent blurry photos, you have to pay attention to your frame rates and your shutter speed. I'm sure you guys are familiar with frame rates and shutter speed. If you're not familiar with frame rates and shutter speed, I'll leave some links in the description box for you to go check out so you can learn more about that. But if you're familiar with frame rates and shutter speed, you know that you have 24 frame rates, we have 30, we have 60, 120, and so on. For 24 and 30, they are like for regular shoots, like regular videos like this. Now this is a game of numbers. So once your frame rate is at 30, your shutter speed has to be double your frame rate. I'll take that again. If your frame rate is for instance at 30 fps, frame rates per second, your shutter speed has to be at least double that. So if your frame rate is 30 frames per second, your shutter speed has to be 60. If your frame rate is 24 frames per second, your shutter speed has to be like 48 at least. That's the least. So anytime you're shooting a video, make sure that your shutter speed is higher than your frame rate. It's double your frame rate, not just higher, it is double your frame rate. I'm going to show you how this works and show you how you can increase and reduce your shutter speed and where on your camera you can find your frame rate. I'll show you that right now. So let's get into the actual tutorial. Let me show you how you can change the settings on your camera and the results, like how it looks like. Do you understand? So yeah, let's get into that now. Okay, so guys, this is how it looks like. If you don't shoot at the right shutter speed and frame rate, this is how your video will look like right here. Like it will be so slow and blurry. But if you do the right thing, you consider your frame rate and shutter speed, you're going to get a video like this one that you're watching. It is just going smoothly, flowing smoothly as it should. So you guys will want to consider that before you even do anything on your camera. Pay attention to your frame rate, pay attention to your shutter speed, and you have a great video. Let's go into how to change the settings on your camera easily. It depends on the kind of camera you're using anyway. I use a Canon, so I'll show Canon users how to change that in this video. Okay guys, so this video was shot on my camera, on my phone, so that I can show you how the setup looks like. So if you want to, and it is handheld, so ignore the shaking. So if you want to change your frame rate, you go to menu, go to camera setting here, then you go here. Oh no, sorry about that. So you go here, you change your size to whatever size. There are different sizes here, so I'm doing 29.97 frames. Yeah, that's 30 pretty much. You click OK, then you go into your scene. You chose 29.97, right? And what we learned was that once you set your frame rate, your shutter speed has to be double that. So you go here and you set your shutter speed. My shutter speed is set at 60. So you leave it at 60 and that's it. So your take home from this video would be, whatever frame rate you're using to shoot, your shutter speed has to be double that frame rate. So that's it for this video, guys. If you found it valuable and helpful, leave me comments in the comment section, share this video, like, subscribe, and yeah, if you think that I left something out, let me know in the comments. If you want me to show you something, or you want me to do a tutorial on anything, let me know in the comments. Until next time, bye guys.